Different pipes joined with plumber technique. This plumber revealed a technique that promises to surprise anyone. The problem is common: two pipes, different sizes, and no possible fitting. It seems there's no solution except to force and risk everything. But it's not quite like that. With a simple trick, he shows how to make this connection quickly and efficiently. The result is so good it makes you want to apply it to every installation. A practical tip that eliminates unnecessary effort and proves that sometimes the simplest solution is the best. The pipe joining technique works perfectly. Always works.